Hi, so now we have our new battery. It's ready to be installed into the car. Before we do this, a couple of hints. Every battery have a vent. What is a vent? Vent is this line here. You see it there dropping. This is the line. This is the vent. What does it mean? Once the car is on, it starts recharging. Because of the reaction inside, it can accumulate gas, and this gas is flammable. So if you don't have the vent already connected, it will lead first to corrosion all over the compartment of the battery first. Second, all these electric connections here with the car working, it may cause any electric spark, and this will cause the gas to explode. So sometimes the battery itself with the accumulated gas will explode if it doesn't have the vent connected. So if you have really rusty side wing fenders next to the battery compartment, know that this battery is not vented good. If the battery is inside the compartment, the engine compartment, which is really good ventilated, you don't have to worry about this. But once it's in the trunk, like the BMW or this car, like the Mercedes, it's trapped in this compartment. So this is very dangerous. So you buy your battery, that the vent should be on the battery, because once the manufacturer provide you with this venting hose there down, okay, which means that you have to connect it. This is example of the old ones. It has the eye, the lens, that you can see the status of the battery itself. If it's green, it's good. If it's black, it's recharged. If it's white, which means the battery is busted, need to be retested. The vents usually comes now. Before it used to come on the upper side, but recently all the manufacturers provide it on both sides to be universal, so you can put it on either side according to your car. And usually the battery comes with those places plugged, like this is, you can see this plug. You just take it out with a screwdriver and put the elbow. The elbow usually is provided with the car, but the used cars, they have it either lost or not connected. So this is the elbow, you have to buy it. It's very simple, like this. This is my new battery. The positive pole is here, the plug is here. I just take this plug out, the screwdriver, it's just simple like that, and I put it on the other side. If it's not plugged like this, you can see it's empty. So I put it there because I don't need this part, and I need to block the ventilation from here. Although it won't block it, the ventilation will be guided through. I'm gonna put it, it's like L-shaped, and I just install it this way. And now I'm ready to connect it to the hose that you saw. The part number for this, I bought the BMW ones because I had it for my car, but it's universal. You can buy from the part number here. This is the BMW, but it's for all cars. It's universal, Joe. It's very universal, like for every battery and every car. So once you connect it, now the second hint, if you have like old cars like those, you don't want to lose the codes, especially for the stereo system or the service system. So before you dismantle your old battery, make sure that you depleted the electricity so the voltage is lower, and then you can, before you disconnect the battery, you can connect it to old battery like this, which is kind of charged, or external power station like this, or the car charger in the connection mode, not in the charging mode. You can't put this one on the cables of the car immediately. You have to put it on the mode that it provides as like power supply. Once you connect it, you just connect it to the poles of the car, and now you can start disconnecting the poles of the old battery. We always start with the negative part, we take it out, and this should be connected to the external power supply, and then the positive. Okay, in this Mercedes, I'm gonna show it in a separate video now. I just wanted to say hints before you install a new battery. Hope you find it useful. See you in other videos. Bye bye.